Welcome to First Maths Times 3 Division Test Group B questions. I am Peter and I hope you enjoy this test. You have 5 seconds to answer each of these questions. It will automatically move on to the next question after this time. Good luck. Question 1. What is 9 divided by 3 equal? Question 2. What does 30 divided by 3 equal? Question 3. What does 21 divided by 3 equal? Question 4. What does 0 divided by 3 equal? Question 5. What does 33 divided by 3 equal? Question 6. What does 6 divided by 3 equal? Question 7. What does 36 divided by 3 equal? Question 8. What does 15 divided by 3 equal? Question 9. What does 24 divided by 3 equal? Question 10. What does 3 divided by 3 equal? Question 11. What does 27 divided by 3 equal? Question 12. What does 18 divided by 3 equal? Question 13. What does 12 divided by 3 equal? Here are the answers. You have 10 seconds to swap over your papers. The answers. Question 1 was 3. Question 2, 10. Question 3, 7. Question 4, 0. Question 5, 11. Question 6, 2. Question 7, 12. Question 8, 5. Question 9, 8. Question 10, 1. Question 11, 9. Question 12, 6. Question 13, 4. Well done, you have completed the test. If you liked this video, please like the video. If you would like to subscribe to know when I'm making new maths quizzes and tests, please subscribe below and I will tell you when I next upload a video. Thank you very much and have a great day.